everybody, welcome back. Well, the day has finally come when we will be doing a garden sign and the draw to see which quote has won. Well, I've got all the quotes. We didn't have as many as I'd have hoped, but maybe next time we'll have a whole load. So we've got all our quotes in here and I just mix them all up and I'm just going to dive in and choose one. Okay, let's see what garden sign we will be making. Oh, bumblebee kisses. I like that. I like that one. We had so many good ones though. Let me just read you some of the wonderful quotes that we did have. This way to springtime. And another one we had was spring has sprung. They were all such wonderful quotes, and I just want to thank everybody who joined in the competition, and especially to Bumblebee Kisses. So we will be making your sign, and I think because it's such a beautiful day outside, I'm going to take everything outside, and I am going to show you guys how you can make a beautiful spring sign, or any sign for that matter, easily and cheaply, even if you don't have any real craft accessories or tools. So I am going to show you just how easy and cheap you can do this. So stay tuned. Bumblebee Kisses it is.